Hi everyone, this is Kathy Gross, Curriculum Bookkeeping Clean and Simple here in Austell, Georgia, near Metro Atlanta. And today I'm providing a quick overview of the QuickBooks Online Accountant platform. And as you can see, I'm signed into what we call a dummy QuickBooks Online Accountant portal account. And we use this for training purposes mostly. And I am actually signed in as a team member, so I don't necessarily have access to everything that a firm member has, even though I have probably more than most because I'm set up as with full access. But basically what I wanted to give you is you can see how it's set up. Basically what we're talking about is that we have the accountant realm, which right here, as you can see, is denoted by the light gray, and it's divided into two sections. You have your practice, which means you have the sub area of clients, team, ProAdvisor, work, and apps, and then you also have your own books that you can use for your own firm as a ProAdvisor member, and all this is free. Okay, so real quick, I'm going to do an overview of the client tab. We're on the overview tab, which basically shows you a list of all your clients, all these that have these little QBOA symbols in front of them or QB symbols in front of them. These are connected QuickBooks Online files or QuickBooks Self-Employed files. So either of those, you can actually use those little circles to get to those, or you can go up here to the client switcher and get into those. You also can see we have the accountant tools up here, which is one of the reasons why if you work with multiple companies using QuickBooks Online, you want to connect with them as an accountant user, so that way you can have these tools. It's really handy to be able to reclassify transactions, be able to write off invoices, prep for taxes, a lot of these other things. You can also look up voided and deleted transactions here and close the books from here, and a few other things that you can do from the accountant tools. There's a bookkeeping tab that allows you to ease the process of month-end review for these QBO connected clients. If you're working with payroll with any of these firms, this is another screen that allows you to get to those. Now, going back to the overview screen, if you click on any of these names right here, you can add a note in here that only you and your team members will see. Your clients will not see this. You can also connect documents in here by either dragging or dropping or uploading those documents. You can also add new clients either through your preferred pricing, or you can have them set up for direct billing. These are for folks that do not have their own QBO files and you want to get them set up. So the other thing I wanted to show you real quick is the team tab. And this is real important because this is where all your team members are listed, and I've blurred some of these out because these are real names, even though these aren't real like people per se. But what I also wanted to show you is that you'll see whether or not they're active or inactive, and you'll see whether or not they have full, basic, or custom. And maybe I'll do a deep dive into these one day so you can see. But basically, what's real important to understand is that if you bring people in your team, any of these certifications that they have will basically count towards your benefits level. So as you can see, a lot of these folks are QuickBooks Online Certified Advanced. And if you go over here to the benefits area, you'll see that this 3350 points level puts us in the elite category. And if you click on history, this will show you the breakdown by numbers of how those points were derived. Okay, so again, a lot of these folks that are on your team have these certifications, and this is really a selling point for you if you want to try to get your people elevated in their point standing, because their point standing will also elevate their firm as well as elevate your team. So they don't lose points because they're under your team. They get the same points as well under their firm as well. So that's something good to know. We have the work tab, which allows you to be able to manage templates and create client requests and create projects. We're not going to do that right here. You can also look and see what types of apps the clients that are connected to you have. You can add apps if you have those permissions, and also you can see what apps the firm has. And then again, like I said, the second part of this is where you have your own set of QBO books to work on, and this is so that you can familiarize yourself enough with the platform to be able to work with multiple clients. I'm going to go ahead and click back on the Clients tab here, and I want to go to the Training tab here, because the Training tab is where you're going to find all the training that's available. All this is free as a ProAdvisor. You'll want to eventually get basic certified, so that way you can be listed on the Find a ProAdvisor website, and those trainings are listed in here. And they just added some new ones, such as the QuickBooks payroll. So they have those new certifications. You can be certified as a payroll specialist in QuickBooks now. And for additional fees, you can add desktop and point of sale trainings and certification tests to your QBOA training portal if you plan to support desktop and point of sale clients. But all this is available through this website. I'm going to go ahead and show you. It's quickbooks.intuit.com/accountants. Sign up only once, and then you can use this bookmark here to sign in to any of these services. But when you sign up, you want to make sure that if you already have an Intuit ID that you're working with, say like if you're already working with a client file in some other capacity, you want to come down here and sign in and link those IDs. But you'll want to bookmark this website because it has all the links to everything that you'll need, such as the Accountant University or QBTrainingEvents.com to do the webinars and things like that. You'll be able to look into maybe being part of the desktop ProAdvisor, and there is a fee for that. Some of the resources, such as the Marketing Hub and Accountant Help Hub, News and Community from the Future blog is here, and then you can also access support from here as well. So anyway, I hope this helps you today. I know that was kind of a really quick tour of this area, but I wanted y'all to see what's available here. And so anyway, lots of reasons to be a part of the ProAdvisor program, but one of the main ones is that once you become basic certified, you get listed on the Find a ProAdvisor website, and here's where you can access that to see that. And I'm not going to do that right here at this point, but anyway, hope this helps you. Y'all have a wonderful day. Y'all take care, everyone, and we'll see you very soon. Thank you for watching. I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and share it with others. My goal is to publish at least one new video per week on QuickBooks desktop or online topics, the occasional motivational video, and a few surprises thrown in here and there. I would love to talk to you about how to help you optimize your knowledge and usage of QuickBooks desktop or online. My Calendly link is in the slide. Please use that to reach out to me to schedule a free 45-minute initial consult. I would love to talk to you about your QuickBooks desktop or online training needs. Again, have a wonderful day, and until next time, we'll see you soon. Take care.